This is the Chalmers DST. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use. I've got a sample already in there, kiwi fruit. Just push the test button. It does 4 flips. The first 2 are ignored and we get the average of the second 2 flips. 29.8. Change samples. Try, this is a B flip this time. .5, that's quite a bit weaker. Going back to the C flute board here. And here we've got a reading of 30.3. To prepare the sample we use a knife guide, which is a piece of aluminium or steel plate 6 millimeters thick. It's spaced off the sample by a piece of emery paper. We just simply align that on the sample where we want to cut. We can use any type of Stanley knife or even one of these types of knives. I'll just use this one here. Simply put that in there, make a cut. It cuts. Cut off to the width. I'll just check those cuts. Open quite the way through. And that's all there is to preparing the sample. Now in a mill situation or in the lab you may want to record the data. So it's very easy to connect it up to a normal PC. In this case I'm running Excel and I'm using an interface program called WinWedge, which is readily obtainable. And what we have here is when we do a test, the data shows up on the DST display, but it's also entered into the Excel spreadsheet, and you can run a macro if you want to after the data's been entered. But in this case we're just storing it on the spreadsheet there. So I can go straight into any sort of a data logging system that you may have, and so with software WinWedge it'll go into any Windows program.